Okay, we're going to talk about subtracting polynomials. We're still at school. I have like but one more video just to kind of show you, probably more castify to show how to use the roller coaster maker that we're going to use. But today we're going to be talking about subtracting polynomials. So remember, we're going to keep these in standard form, so highest exponent first. And so we have, we're just going to do those examples here. So 5x squared plus 14x minus 9. And we're going to subtract that from that quantity. We're going to subtract the quantity of x squared plus 8x and then plus 2. So remember, we talked about distributive property this year. This negative right here is actually a -1. And so what we're going to end up doing is actually still adding polynomials. So we are going to distribute that -1 throughout this one. And what it will do is change the sign of each term. Now, in this quantity, all the terms are positive, so they're going to be term negatives. And so we rewrite it out. So 5x squared plus 14x minus 9, that quantity, plus, so we've distributed this all the way through, distributed -1, times it, multiplied it by each term here. So now this is a -x squared minus 8x minus 2. And so now we can go ahead and add our polynomials. And we just add them together. So we have 5x squared minus 1x squared. And so we combine like terms. So we get 4x squared. 14x minus 8x is plus 6x. And -9 plus -2 is -11. And so that's what we're doing. We're going to distribute that negative through, and then we're going to combine like terms like we did with adding polynomials. So not much of a change of what we're doing there, just changing the subtraction to a positive. And so let's do another one. Oh. All right. So let's do another one. We have 4a squared, so the quantity of 4a squared plus 7a plus 4 minus the quantity of 3a squared plus 2. And so we're going to distribute this -1 through here. This is a positive 3a, a positive 2. They're going to become negatives now. So we have 4a squared plus -3a squared minus 2. And so we're now 4a squared minus 3a squared is 1a squared. So just a squared. We have 7a. There's no like terms are there for 7a. So plus 7a. And positive 4 plus -2, or 4 minus 2 is positive 2. And so there is our answer. We just combine like terms once again. Let's look at another one. We said get one that has a negative in one of the quantities on the right side that we're subtracting from. Subtracting 2. All right, let's do that. All right, so we have 5a squared, the quantity of 5a squared. Let me turn this down again. It's a little thunderstorm outside, and turn that stuff down in case my wife needs me for anything. It's 5a squared plus 9a minus 12 minus the quantity of -3a squared plus 5a minus 7. And so we're going to distribute this -1 all the way through. So multiply that through to everything in this quantity. And so we have 5a squared plus 9a minus 12. You see how this one doesn't change because we're not multiplying the negative on this one, we're multiplying it to this quantity. So negative times a negative, we all know, is a positive 3a squared. This is a positive 5a. Now it's a negative times a positive, so that means it's a negative 5a. And then negative times a negative is a positive 7. And so now we can go ahead and combine like terms. And so 5a squared plus 3a squared is 8a squared. 9a minus 5a is 4a's. And then negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. And so therefore we have our combined like terms. We have it in standard form. Everything is good to go. So let me give you a couple of examples. Like I said, we're not going to do a whole bunch. You'll see a lot more of doing these types of things in 8th grade and in algebra. So let's give you a couple examples, a couple of things to do. So we have 6a squared plus 3a plus 9 minus the quantity of 2a squared plus 8a plus 1. Let's go ahead and do that one. We'll also do another one here. We're going to do 9n squared minus 8 minus the quantity n plus 4. So do that one, and we'll do one more. We will do quantity 9w squared plus 7 minus the quantity of negative 6w squared plus 2w minus 3. And so those are the 3 problems you'll do, and you'll just multiple choice once again. And you have a quiz is on Thursday, and Friday is con day. But so make sure you kind of work on that. The following week, we will be doing roller coaster project. And I'm going to show you a video on Monday. You'll do an ed puzzle on Monday, a video, but also there'll be a video of me just kind of showing you what you'll need to do for the simulation. And that's what you'll be doing on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be working on your poster. Now, I do have a poster readily available, something similar to this. Yours will be a little bit different, just because I'm not going over all the parts of the roller coaster with you guys this year. So, this goes back a few years ago. This is like Bree and Zach, Eli, Ella, and Haley's. So Gracie Early, your brother did this one, the Killer Bees. And you kind of see that there's a theme to it. You're going to make one of these, okay? You're going to make a type of model, just trying to draw something on and make a poster, something that looks, kind of fun for our last week. And then that Friday, I do have another video I want to show you guys. It's a closing the year out video. But stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.